Since it's already grown an inch of leaves over here, we can see. Yeah, an inch has grown. The casuarina is here, a support plant. Here's the other plant. They also put up few new leaves. These 3 leaves are new. Here's the other plant, covered completely by shade of my pomegranate and my guava. Here you can see it has grown up nicely. We can see 4 leaves over here. There's a good growth over here from what I see. Almost like 6 inches of growth is what I can see over here. Yeah. So I think sandal should they prefer growing in shade, I guess. See, this was planted at the same time, but the growth is less compared to the one which are planted on the shade. So what they say is true. I mean, the sandalwood loves sun, but a sapling, I think it needs to be planted in shade. See, these are new growth. This was my first experiment which I planted almost a year ago, but my chickens damaged it off. But the plant is being still resilient and it's growing the leaves again. Let's see what happens to it. I left my hopes on it. I don't think it will grow back to become a healthy plant. The another one in the shade, you can see whatever plant I've grown on shade, I've gained almost 6 inches or 4 to 5 inches of growth. Many leaves over here. See, they're growing so well in shade. This plant has also grown more than 4-5 leaves in a month. The rains also helped too. Again, it's completely covered in shade, and you can see the new growth here. And this is all new growth. From here, whatever you see is new growth, and that's within a month. Again, casuarina for the support plant when they grow up. I also got red sanders. I have no space here, but the saplings when I went to get sandalwood were really nice. They got a new batch of red sanders, so I had to get it. Let's see what happens. This is the first plant I planted. This is the first plant I planted on 28th of June, I guess. 24th or 25th of June. Yeah. This also receives partial sun and partial shade. So yeah, this has grown almost 4 to 5 inches. It was just in a month. This is all new growth. And this is the second row of it. That being the first row and this being the second row. The first row is lot in shade, so I can see more growth in it. This being in sun, I don't think sun really helps these sandalwood saplings. They prefer shade while growing up. Maybe when they're grown up in a full-grown trees, they prefer sun. But now, yeah, the growth's better in the first layer, which is in shade, than in the sun. But yeah, I'm happy the leaves are turned greenish, then pale green. That means the root system are healthy and getting support from other plants. There's another one of my plant. You can see still pale. Also to develop and catch up. Look at this plant. It has no shade. It gets sun. You can see the growth of it and the color of it. It's not as greenish as it's supposed to be in other compared to other plants. This is all round sun. This is my other plant. Part of it's grazed away by goats, and this has grown a much grazing, I guess. Yeah, it has grown a lot, almost 6 inches in 1 month. And this is one of my plants from my first year. It's still the same height I got them. I think the saplings were not good quality. So yeah, on struggle also maybe, yeah. I didn't have shade, I didn't have manure. I just put them on ground. This is on the plant. The roots are yet to latch up, I guess, but they're turning green. It's a sign of good health. On the plant of my first batch, a year old, but the leaves are green, latching up to this Chrysidia, I guess. Not much of growth. Here's the other plant. There are no saplings around the root of this, so I guess it hasn't lodged up any. You can see the leaves are still pale greenish. So yeah, let's see how this comes up.